What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back on the video, man. Today we finally have the Air Jordan 11 Concords. As y'all know, these already released 2 times on the sneakers app, and I took an L both times. As y'all know, every reseller is selling them right now, and I'm just not getting them today. I'm excited about it. I'm ready to pull them out. I'm ready to just review it on feet for y'all. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Make sure you ring the notification bell, and make sure you follow me at DeVintage World on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. And if you want to subscribe right now without going off the video, just click my face right here, and it will let you subscribe. So go ahead and do that, and we're gonna get right into the video. Let's get it. All right, here we have it. Got them from Kicks for under retail. I didn't tell you that. Got these Kicks for under retail for $176. That's why I think it was a long line where I was at, because it was given to them for $176, and people weren't trying to pay that $220 plus tax and plus shipping, and people didn't want to pay that €220 for the people over here in Germany. And I was one of those guys. I want to just pay the $176, and I can just walk right out under retail, actually, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people can't get their shoes from under retail, so that's why I'm glad I was over here today and got these bad boys for under retail, man. So that's like, I got them for $176, as y'all can, or $177.95. Check that out. It's gonna focus. There you go. And so I paid like $40 in the retail. If you add taxes and shipping, probably save about $50, $60, you feel me? So shouts out to Kicks for that. And here we have it, man. Check out the box. Jordan Jumpman. And you see the size tag, size 9. Y'all go ahead and read the label. No size tag or no retail sticker over here in Germany, as always. Like I said in all my videos lately. Nike Air right there. And this box is the same as Air Jordan 8 Tinker Air Raids. So we're gonna get right into these things. Woo. Throw this box down. And we finally about to peel these things open. Finally. Bam, there you have it, baby. Air Jordan 11 Concords. These things look even better. Even better in person than they do in pictures. You know, they always hyping the pictures up. They always putting the special effects. But right here on the camera, I hope this bring up the true color, that true white. These things is crispy, man, crispy. So let me go ahead and pull my pair out real quick. Got the black paper on this side. Y'all know how it's coming. And finally, we have it. Finally, man. I was not able to get this pair back in 2011. As y'all know, I was still in like middle school in 2011. But we got them today for under retail. So that's what I say in my video. I always like to wait. I don't like to pay too much over retail if I have to. But if I can wait and I know they're gonna release, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Just like the Air Jordan 6 infrareds, those are coming out next year. The Air Jordan 4 breads and the Air Jordan 11 breads are coming out again. I can't wait for that. I got them back there. But here we have it, Air Jordan 11 Concords. I want y'all to pick up that true color. So I'm gonna turn this down for y'all. There you have it. Check them things out, man. Quick round view of these. Y'all know it's already coming with the review, very quick. Just want to get y'all that good, nice look. Man, that Concord is hitting perfect off them icy blue soles, man. So let's get right into the review. As you can see, you have white rope laces, how they come on all the Air Jordan 11s. Those rope laces right there. Then you have on the third laces, you get the little Jumpman, Jordan Jumpman symbol right there in the middle. I'll make y'all with some B-roll so y'all can get like some better looks. Then with the upper, you got this like, I think it's like ballistic mesh or something like that. You got on the upper right here, as you can see, going all the way down, coming around. Then you got that black infamous Air Jordan Jumpman right there, check it out. And the 4.5 on the back. Some people was not feeling the 4.5. Some people was like, they missed the regular 2.3 and they missed the low cut. But hey, it's a new generation, man. They throwing the new things on there, the 4.5 on there, and that high cut, you know what I'm saying? So 4.5 back there, and then spin it around. You got that ballistic mesh again, and it's leather behind the upper right here on the heel. All this is leather right here. It's nice. It kind of looks soft, but you know it's stiff. If you know your shoes and you know the quality, this is very stiff leather. But it was nice for them to throw at least this on there. Glad they didn't give us the Air Jordan 3 True Blue leather, man, because that would have been terrible. You got that black patent leather wrapping around the whole shoe. This is what I think makes the Air Jordan 11 pop. Just imagine if they didn't give it this solid cut of patent leather. I think these things would have been doo-doo, you know what I'm saying? So they gave us this little high cut, and this one has peaks. As you can see, peak right here, and a peak right here. And one more, hold on. Peak right there. Check it out. The midsole, check it out. All white, got your little ridge right there. Wrapping around. Very nice. Not a lot of factory flaws. You can see them. Hopefully I can get them in the B-roll so I can check out the factory flaws, but it's not that bad. Then you want to throw it around to the outsole, baby. This is where you get it right. The icy blue outsole with the Concord pods, man. Very, very fire. I am digging this shoe. I'm glad I got it. I know all y'all happy y'all got them too. And it's just crazy, man. Back in 2011, I know I wasn't going to get them. I probably didn't even know about Air Jordan 11s in 2011. And I finally got them. Finally know like the history behind it. Kind of know like why everybody love them. Check out the insole real quick, see what they gave us. And they gave us a Concord colored shoe tree. I think it's the same as the Space Jams. I think it's the same one. Matter of fact, I think the Space Jams is blue. I don't know. Don't quote me, y'all. But you got a Concord shoe tree. Insole, you already know how it's coming. Nike Air in there. And people was asking me about this sticker. This sticker I know is not on in the States, but they do it over here in Germany. So these ain't fake. Trust me. And on the back of the tongue, you already know what you're getting. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever, but LeBron the GOAT. So that's it for the review over the Air Jordan 11 Concords. Make sure y'all share this with a friend. Make sure y'all drop a comment and let me know if y'all cop easily or if y'all almost took an L like me. Make sure y'all go over there on Instagram and follow me at DeVintage World. Links will always be in the description box below. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, and that is it. Y'all enjoy this on feet. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace.